the mask. This mask is 3 here. It's 3 here. We're going to start with 1. Let's start with this. Let's start with this. I'm going to gently open it from here. Okay. This is the mask. Where this is, can you see me well, or I should bring this down? Okay, let's just keep it here so that you can see it well. So this is the mask. Okay, we have 2 here, 2 here. I bring out the 1 here. Oh, it's the mask. Okay, the mask. Yeah, okay, this is the mouth side. I hope so. This is the mouth side. Okay. So, and I hope the second one is supposed to be the forehead side. So I get these 2. I get these 2. Okay. This is the upper side. Hope so. Okay, this is the upper side because it has eyes. It has eyes. So let me bring it up from the. Okay, good. Let it not fall down. Okay. Okay. Let's bring it up so that we can see it very well. Oh, I love how this love so well, very well. I love very well, and this is just like they use my face to measure it. So I allow it to lap well, then I will go and rest. I will go now on the leg and I lie down and allow it to stay for some minutes, then I'll remove it. I'll show you the final look of it. Oh, so I'm going to come back in some minutes and then show you how my face looks like. So this is a product. I'm going to add the link in the description if you want to get the Stylevana. Get it from the link above, below, okay? That is a company from Korea. The Korea things used to be beautiful, guys. My first time trying the Korea things, I heard that they have a beautiful, natural, and fantastic products. So trying it for the first time. I hope you try it also with the link I'm going to add. So see you soon. So let's remove it. I added it and I went to lie down. I slept off. Let's see how it looks after removing it. It have more than 1 hour. Okay. So look at it. Look at it. How do you see? What do you see? Let me bring the. What do you see on my face? What do you see? My face is glowing. I noticed that my face is glowing. Let me off one of the lights so that you can see it very well. Oh my god, my face is glowing. Let me see. My face is glowing, guys. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. My face is glowing, guys. So I'll do it again, and I'll do the mask again in 2-3 days, but I will continue with the routine of the other products. I'm loving my face. My face is glowing. My face is glowing, guys. Can you imagine this face is without makeup? Nothing, only this Stylevana. Love you.